Hi Alia.
Hi Tanishka, how are you?
So I'm really good. How are you?
I'm good.
Okay, so uh, like we know you as author Alia of Maneem Khata. Would like to know how you are, more about you. Like, what do you do? How did you come up with this book and everything? Like how and what? So
Okay. I have done my MBA in marketing, and I thought I had a good corporate job, and after that I thought I'll do great wonders in corporates in marketing job. But then I had my first baby, and I thought motherhood से बड़ा कोई नहीं है. So I left my corporate job.
yeah,
I left my corporate job and I took up mothering as a full-time career. In between, obviously, जो काम करता है cannot sit idle, ना.
yeah.
So I took up several small projects like through marketing, ये वो, and I love writing diaries.
Okay.
So my mother, look, as a child, I had seen my mom write diaries, and she used to not write daily. Okay, because my father was a sailor. We are from merchant navy family. So whenever he used to come, she used to write all importance, like kahan policy, kya, whatever. So I was very fascinated by diaries, very fascinated. And when I used to write, not at the hi-fi level, but I love diaries. I used to gather diaries, jo achhi likhi utha lo, and start writing. I used to fight with my brother also for diaries.
Yeah.
So the love for diaries came from there. And after like after a few years, I got married. Like few nahi.
Yeah.
After 20 years, after 2 decades, I got married, and unfortunately, in a sailor's family.
Yeah. Okay.
My husband is also a sailor, so I maintain that I'm the munim. I maintain the records for last 10 years. I have only one diary. As I said, Indian people don't write every day. Like
Yeah.
not everybody, but very few people write every day, and most of them don't write every day. We only write the importance. So I maintain that important diary, and I got that free from some bank. Complimentary diaries, we all like. So that diary I maintained for good 10 years, and whatever structure I have made, I have put that in this book.
Okay.
So when I started designing diaries for my friend, she said, "कितना भी होगा ना, जब 5,000 की भी diary होगी, निकाल buy from you. You design a diary for me." Whether it is entrepreneur diary, for her it was entrepreneur diary.
Okay.
So she has a cosmetic brand, and I make a diary for her.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. So she told me कि तू कर, do whatever you want. I will, pay.
Okay.
I'll pay. तो ऐसे ठीक है, अभी इतना बोल रही तो इतना विश्वास है मुझ पर, तो मैं ट्राई करती हूँ. I did for her, and she loved it. First was the disaster because we only had one monotonous color. I was like, okay, मैंने उसके लिए बनाया. Let's do something for me. Then I said, for me, I am not a daily writer or reader. So then I thought कि मेरी डायरी फट गई है. Let's make a new one.
Yeah.
Then I spoke to my friend how it's going to be, कैसा होगा क्या. It's like, okay, you're making for me, make for me also. Then I spoke to my friends like, okay, make for me also one. Then I did research on this, and then it's like, no, now I'm going to label this. And the word came to my mind was Munim Khata. हर घर में सब नहीं लिखते हैं हिसाब, कोई एक ही लिखता है.
Yeah.
कोई एक ही मुनीम रहता है. So ये इसका मुनीम खाता है. So that's how the entire idea for Munim Khata came in this.
That's really impressive. I mean,
Thank
there's
you.
a whole journey about it.
Yes.
And like it's connecting through every process you are trying to create Maneem Khata as.
Yes.
Okay. What was the most challenging part of writing this book?
Challenging, first of all, to start something new is itself a challenge. Right. So I went to my ma'am. I told her I want to do PhD, and I said ये बता देंगे. पता नहीं कितना दम है इसमें. देख लेंगे कि क्या होता है. She said नहीं. You forget PhD. You can focus on this. And she gave me at least 5 to 6 case studies, which I felt so motivated that said, अब मैं इससे पीछे नहीं हटने वाली हूँ. This I'm going to take forward. And meanwhile, I came in some ad, God shows you कि देखो. So I came across this in that time your indie press was Right Order.
Yeah.
I just clicked on the link and Vikas called me. So after that, like, no, now this is God ka ishara. Now I should not move back. It's just only forward footsteps. So then I thought of taking this in full action.
Okay.
So this was in my mind for last 2 years. Took a lot of time designing each and everything, making it user friendly. Like ऐसा नहीं कि बना लिया कुछ और use ही नहीं है. So the spacing of the columns where you can write, and most importantly, it can be used for 10 years. So those are things, it was too complicated because ऐसा किसी ने किया नहीं. I cannot take help from anyone. But definitely my friends help me. They give me suggestions. अरे ये डाल, अरे vehicle insurance डाल, अरे expiry date डाल. So all those elements came in.
So how did you come up with the design of the book?
Design of the book, as I told you, I have already had a diary.
Okay.
So I used to love designing pages.
Yeah.
तो मैं बोलती थी हाँ ये भी लिखना, चलो एक कॉलम बना के डालते हैं.
Yeah.
So and as I told you, I've already made 3 planners before this. So I slowly worked. I took references online, and there is one thing I would like to mention about the website Napkin Finance. The author is Tina Hay.
Okay.
Yeah, and if you see her book, it's so interesting. They have graphic formats where she has explained all the financial terms. So that was my major inspiration to grab for the designing the pages, infographics. So yeah, baki to rest is in front of you.
Okay. What are the most common, questions visitors have asked you about your book?
Common questions as such, they see, first of all, there are 2 type of people. Okay, first is जो आपको ज़्यादा बोलने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Some people like, oh, we know this, we will take this and put it in a तिजोरी, लिख के रख देंगे. And second, थोड़ा explain करना पड़ता है. Like, okay, yeah, good. So it was, it was like mixed opinion because it's something new. अभी है ही नहीं मार्केट में. अगर आप बोले कि कॉमिक है तो कोई ले लेगा कॉमेडी समझ के. They know what is the purpose of a comic, they know what is the purpose of diary. तो when I say diary, they say sorry हम नहीं लिखते. मतलब आप जो सोचे वो डायरी नहीं, then I have to explain them. So this concept is new, so it's going to take some time to seep in people's mind. But yes, people who know what it is, they are very happy. In fact, some people are booking bulk orders so that they can gift it to their family.
Yeah. So I've seen like this book is really doing well in airports, like really. So like, what do you think is like offline distribution? में ऐसा क्या you think कि it's better, कि it's happening that way, and then everyone is liking the book, and it's getting sold like in minutes.
Yeah, I was very happy. Yesterday was my first signing at the airport. I was so happy. It was like first-hand experience for me, and I knew that this is going to go offline more because it's always about the touch and feel.
Yeah.
It's about the tangibility. It's about अगर मैं इसका फोटो डालूँ तो आप इतना रिलेट नहीं कर पाओगे. जब आप हाथ में लेके देखोगे, so you know if you're writing, if you're maintaining a diary, it's you know what it is. Like I had a banker, like बहुत कम चुनिंदा लोग होते हैं जो ऑनलाइन क्लिक कर लेते हैं. For example, one of my friend, she's a banker.
Yeah.
मैंने the moment I told her कि आप यहाँ वहाँ लिख के रखते होंगे and चीज़ें lost होती होंगी, तो she's like yes, I need a diary. So she booked. So people who know the importance will go for online.
Yeah.
People who have not seen what it is will definitely, I know that this is going to be, I had the feeling because I observe people, because I am also a diary person. So we have to touch and feel the book now.
Yeah.
So the touch and feel of the book attracts people.
Like me as a person, I am very organized that way. So whatever I do, I keep on writing, and if I forget, so this book, I think it will really help
Correct.
people to not only manage their daily things, but every other financial things, life insurance or whatever it is.
Correct.
So us related, what do you want to say about this book? Like, since we all try to, like, I personally manage a personal diary where I write every day what's happening
Correct.
at work,
Correct.
in personal life.
Correct.
So how this diary can help a person in different ways?
Okay, this is not like daily diary, that is for sure.
Yeah.
This is something like a you can say like a legacy keeper. Okay, it's like a financial record book. It's a legacy keeper. It helps you from mental, like, reducing your mental chaos. कि oh my god, कहाँ रखा है, last year vehicle insurance कितना था, अब मुझे कितना देना, because it is a depreciating asset.
Yeah.
Correct. So vehicle insurance is covered. Your insurance premium, medical is covered. क्या आपने let's say कोई फला बैंक का लिया था और वो नहीं चला, तो हमें पता है कि लास्ट ईयर लिया था, this is not going to work, let's take something else. Even your health insurance हो, life insurance हो, everything is recorded. Let's say for example, there are many people who save on internet, digital, electronics. So this reduces the dependency from electronics. Okay, so that is one of the biggest asset. It's like a backup for all your digital data. It's like a digital data backup. जो tangible है मे गॉड फॉरबिड अगर आपका लैपटॉप उड़ जाए या हैक हो जाए या आपके पास फ़ोन ना रहे एंड मे बी योर स्पाउस समथिंग हैपेंस एंड यू नॉट एबल टू एक्सेस डिजिटल डेटा, क्योंकि वो आपकी अमानत है, आपको ही पता है कहाँ रखने वाले हो आप. करेक्ट. अदर देन यू, योर स्पाउस विल नो. एंड पता नहीं उनको पता होगा भी या नहीं, बिकॉज मेरे केस में तो ऐसा होता है मोस्ट ऑफ द केसेस कि वाइफ लिखती है ना तो उनकी लैंग्वेज उन्हीं को समझ में आती है. दे ओनली अंडरस्टैंड कि कहाँ लिखा है, क्या करना है. सो ओनली दे अंडरस्टैंड. सो दिस इज अ एब्सोल्यूट बेस्ट बैकअप बिकॉज इट इज एन ऑर्गेनाइज मैटर. अभी ये है ऐसे 5 लीजिए बुक, सब में एक ही फॉर्मेट है. व्हीकल इंश्योरेंस करेंगे, सब में एक ही फॉर्मेट है. आप होम लोन लीजिए. सो बेसिकली दिस बुक इज डिवाइडेड इनटू 4 पार्ट्स फॉर सिंप्लीफिकेशन. ओके, वन इज इन्फॉर्मेशन में आपके पासवर्ड्स रहते हैं. प्लीज़ एक रिक्वेस्ट है, पासवर्ड्स आप पेन से नहीं लिखिए, आप स्टार एक्सट्रिक करके डालिए, तो यू एंड योर पार्टनर हैव एन अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि ये ऐसी लिखती है पासवर्ड तो यही रहेगा. कोड लैंग्वेज में कि ओनली यू एंड योर स्पाउस कैन अंडरस्टैंड.
Okay.
Yeah, so that is there. Then the second part is assets. Third part is debt. कि क्या होता है ना, कभी मरने के बाद लोग बोलते हैं कि भाई आपके पेरेंट ने हमसे पैसे लिए थे उधार, यू डिड नॉट गिव मी बैक. तो लाइक मेरी मम्मी ने तो लिख के नहीं रखा है इसमें, मैं क्यों दूँ. there's no note. If you have some, show me. So ये वो वाला खाता है जो आपका हर हिसाब का किताब रखता है, हर हिसाब का रिकॉर्ड रखता है. और thirdly is retirement. कि what is the purpose of this? Why are we writing? कि am I going to die? कि मैं लिख के रखूँ ना, लोग बोलते हैं कि मैं क्यों लिखूँ भाई. तो it is just a backup. And आपकी जब सामने रहती ना चीज़ें, you see if you sit on laptop, like we are digital people, लैपटॉप पे बैठिए, आप एक्सेल शीट रखिए सबके सामने, but be able to अंडरस्टैंड एंड डेटा एनालिसिस से बहुत कुछ होता है. ये क्या है, सामने रहेगा, you're not dependent on any digital, and you can sit and discuss one on one and can be carried forward from one generation to the other without dependency on electronics. That is a simple motive of this movie.
Definitely. So I think we are done here. We'll do a book signing.
Sure.
So-
एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन है क्या था आपका?
Yeah.
What is the unique fact which you unique thing which you came across while writing this book? मैंने बहुत प्रिपेयर किया उसके लिए.
Okay. I'll answer.
Yeah.
What is the unique thing that you have prepared for this book?
No, sorry. It's a unique thing you came across
Okay.
while writing the book.
What is the unique thing you came across while writing this book?
Okay, unique thing. Yes, there are very interesting things, but one of the shocking things I would like to tell you
Yeah.
is about the fact that I came across that there are 72,218 crores, okay, lying unclaimed amount in RBI 2024, and this number increases 26% every year. And you know what is unclaimed account? Unclaimed account is something which you don't touch for 10 years.
Okay.
The accounts which are untouched for 10 years.
Yeah.
And there's so much of reason why, क्योंकि हम नॉमिनेट करते हैं फिर भूल जाते हैं, नॉमिनी को पता नहीं कि मुझे नॉमिनेट किया गया है, so those things are there. So that is the biggest number because it's not about us, it's about major जो लूप होल देख रहे हैं आप, कि लोग लिखना ही भूल जाते हैं, लोग बताना ही भूल जाते हैं कि भाई तुम्हारे नाम पे इतना रखा है तो you come and claim. कितनी पॉलिसीज ऐसी चली जाती हैं. There's so much of scam happening because of that. So that is the biggest eye opener, along with other case studies, one of the biggest eye openers.
Sure. Before I wrap this up, I have another question. Have you ever received, till now, did you receive any feedback from your readers only? I mean, the person who are using this, have you received any feedback?
Yes, I have received quite a few feedbacks. One was saying कि हम लिख रहे थे and we did not realize we didn't save enough for our son. Because people misunderstand emergency fund and they don't have the concept of sinking fund. सब जानते हैं बट हम अप्लाई नहीं करते और करते भी तो नाम नहीं मालूम. इसलिए देखो हमारे बच्चों के लिए लिखा है sinking fund. I have explained in such a nice way that sinking fund is a future expense which, say for example, बच्चा भी पैदा हुआ तो पता है वो एजुकेशन के लिए खर्चा होगा, शादी के लिए खर्चा होगा. सो फ्रॉम वेयर यू गोइंग टू गेट दैट खर्चा. तो उसके लिए अभी से अगर 1,000-2,000 रुपये भी रखेंगे तो आगे जाके आपको काफ़ी so all those things, spacing is there and each and every small planning is there in this. So that was the biggest compliment for me कि I help seeing people the vision of for the financial pathway, like the goals for the finances, what they can do. They can track, they can keep records of all their savings. So so it was the biggest compliment for me.
Thank you so much, Alia,
Thank you for
joining
the-
World Book Fair.
Thank you.
and like this book, I think it's gonna literally hit the market. Literally. Yeah. Hope for the best.
Hope for the best. Thank you so much for that.